Let's learn about double angles in trigonometry. You would have learned compound angles. Like in the previous video, we learned something about compound angles. Like for example, if you have A and B, and if I say sine A plus B, it's nothing but sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, you need not memorize, this is all there in the formula book, but you have to understand that, okay, this is like if you have a sine of two angles, you can split it like this and you can write it. Now in this case, if you are replacing B with A, okay, I'm just trying to replace it. So what will happen here? Sine A plus A, I'm replacing it for everything, so it is like sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. Okay, so the left hand side will become sine 2A, that is equal to sine A cos A, and cos A sine A both are same. So I can write this as 2 sine A cos A. Okay, so this is a formula. Okay. Now this is something which is also there in the formula book, but it is good that you are know how to derive the double angles. Okay. Similarly, if you have cos A plus B, you have the formula as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, now I am replacing B with A, so that is cos A plus A is equal to cos A cos A minus sin A sin A. So cos 2A is equal to cos A times cos A is cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, this is a formula. Again, moving on to the third one, tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, replacing B with A, tan A plus A is equal to tan A plus tan A over 1 minus tan A tan A, which is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. Sometimes they can ask this, okay? They can ask you how to derive this. Now there is a variation for some of these double angles. Suppose we got this cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Now from here, you know the identity cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Okay, this is also there in the formula book. And from this, what you can do is you can write cos square A as 1 minus sin square A. Now I'm subbing this back into this equation, which will give me cos square A minus 1 minus, sorry, the other way. I'm just subbing for cos square A. So it is like 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So this is a different variation. Again, from this formula I can write sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So again I'm taking cos 2A, which is equal to cos square A minus sin square A, and now here I'm subbing in for sin square A, so that is cos square A minus 1 minus cos square A, that is equal to cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A, that is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. You need to know these equations. Okay. Now from this one, cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay. Now let me just do some more manipulation of this. 2 cos square A is equal to, I'm bringing the 1 that side, so it is cos 2A plus 1, and I can write cos square A is equal to 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 2A. Okay. Similarly, cos 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So I'm just bringing 2 sin square A to this side, so that will become 1 minus cos 2A. It's all simple algebraic manipulation. Okay, so just we need to understand that you can manipulate these variables like this, and I mean these equations like this, and you can derive certain things out of that. That is it. Okay, now there can be a question: find sine 3A in terms of sin A. Okay, so we don't know what is sine 3A, but we can derive it. How? We have sine A plus B. So sine 3A can be written as sine 2A plus a. And we know that sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So I'm just going to replace that here. So sine 2a cos a plus cos 2a sine a. Okay, that is equal to sine 2a can be written as, because I want to modify that and I want to write it in terms of sine a. Okay, sine 2a can be written as 2 sine a cos a times cos a plus cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square a. We just derived it now. And sine a. Okay. Then that can be written as 2 sine a times cos square a plus 1 minus 2 sine square a times sine a. Then cos square a can be written as 2 sine a into 1 minus sine square a plus 1 minus 2 sine square a times sine a. Okay, now it's simply simplification. So 2 sine a minus 2 sine cube a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. Okay, that is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Okay, similarly you can derive whichever values is required. Okay, now let's move on to a different question. Show that sine 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a is equal to tan a. Okay, this is a question here. Show that sine 2a by 1 plus 2 cos a is equal to tan a. So now in this case you can try to manipulate this and write it in terms of different one. So the left hand side is sine 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. That can be written as 2 sine a cos a divided by 1 plus 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a can be written as 2 cos square a minus 1. This 1 and 1 will get cancelled. That's equal to 2 sine a cos a divided by 2 cos square a. That is equal to this and this. And sine a over cos a, that's equal to tan a.